Hello, my name is Edilson Vega Patiño. I am 42 years old. I grew up in city Lejanías Meta. I live in the San Carlos de Guarua. I am married with Luz Mary Parra, and I am enjoy the sport fishing, playing soccer, watch TV. I am mechanic diesel. I have working in Manuelita, how planner in software is AP. I am studying industrial engineering. My personal qualities are keen, companion, collaborator. My skills are difficulty working in a group. I am work in candidate because for my experience and the professional training, teamwork, and skill to solve any problem. I Joe here me Joe in the Hell integral and realized personal with the ability to help your goals and the objectives. Thank you very much.